Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive straight into the mind-blowing cellular mystery of bowhead whales.
Think about it. How does an 80-ton mammal live over 2 centuries without getting cancer? It's called Peto's paradox. Mathematically speaking, massive animals like this should be completely riddled with cancer.
But here's the twist. In a lab setting, whale cells are actually incredibly fragile. It shocked researchers. If their individual cells are so vulnerable, how does the whole animal survive? The secret? An elite DNA repair crew. Whales produce 100 times more CIRB protein than us. When DNA breaks, this protein floods the scene, stabilizing the ends for an absolutely flawless repair.
So, what about us humans? Well, one clinical protocol actually suggests a 2 milliliter daily serving.
That's VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90% and VITEN. It claims polyprenols support your cellular mitochondrial energy. Can we ultimately hack our own DNA repair just by learning from these ancient 80-ton giants?